guys, Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 and 69 Pontiac GTO Tempest and LeMans complete quarter panels by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Available for coupe models, we offer complete quarter panels which feature the door jamb, rear corner, and sail panel. Each quarter panel is stamped from 20 gauge steel using factory specifications for perfect fitment. At the end of the production line, we finish every panel with electrodeposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your quarter panel without worrying about potential rust. We also featured these quarter panels on our 1968 GTO that we debuted at the SEMA show back in 2008. After a long week and hundreds of cars reviewed, ours took home the GM Best Restored Vehicle of the Year award. All these years later, and it still looks in brand new showroom quality condition. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.